What's up, xillerated family? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and hit that notification bell to keep up with the build. Anyways, we got today is a spark plug change. So this is my first time in the subie world doing a spark plug change. So I started working on the car already because I wasn't too sure if I was gonna vlog or not, because I don't know how difficult this is and I didn't want to look retarded. But as a matter of fact, this is pretty damn simple. So what I had to do was remove the battery tray, remove the washer, got them right here, windshield washer, got it propped up with a fucking slipper. But once you get that out the way, you could remove the coil pack that's right here, whoops, down here, and the other one is right there where that plug is. So it's not that bad as I thought it was gonna be, but I'm learning. And then on this side, I'm still have to get to, this is the part I was more worried about because how claustrophobic it looks. It's so cluttered with stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead, get this all switched out, changed out, and hopefully I could record some of the process as we go along in this video. Took out the spark plug, and it definitely ain't running lean, and it's definitely not running rich. It's a nice golden brown. Downfall is this looks very old. There's corrosion on it. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but still, getting a misfire code from that. Here's the new spark plug I got. Can I focus? Nope, I got iridiums, NGK. So these are NGK as well, except they look like the platinum, I think, because the code on here says BKR6 EGP NGK, and the one I got is right here, iridium spark plug, number 6418. So these are what I'm installing. See if the codes go away, and if not, I got misfired in all 4 cylinders, so it could be the coil pack, which I need to do. So I'm basically just giving this a tune-up. I got the spark plug in the hole, kind of tightening it up. So they say hand tight first, and I believe I got it. I'm on to cylinder 4. I believe it's cylinder 4, and this is a little tighter, so I'm kind of struggling. I'm not used to doing this, you know. I'm used to the freaking spark plugs being up top, but I love the sound of Subaru engines. It's a lot nicer. I'm hoping to do with this build 300 horsepower, probably more. But right now, all I care about is maintenance. This car needs to be reliable, and the spark plug is very in a tight space. So I got the spark plug in. Now putting back the coil pack, the coil over plug. Like I said, this is pretty tight. It's not like the other engines I worked on. This ain't too bad. So far, I'm actually 10 minutes in because this is my first time doing it. I don't know if 10 minutes is good timing or bad timing, but hey, 10 minutes on the other side, total 20 minutes. I also forgot to mention, if this is your first time as well, do not forget to remember the color of the plugs. The white one in the front, and then this black plug in the rear. So it goes to that one. White in front, black to the rear. Now that I got it snap back on, time to put back the windshield washer reservoir back in its spot. Keep the battery off, and then we'll start working on this side. Gotta remove the 10 mil bolt on here. Guess this is called the snorkel. A lot of people do the snorkis delete, I believe. I like how OEM this looks. Oh, that shit wasn't connected nicely. Wonder what that hole was for. Power steering pump. Then I believe we gotta move these hoses out the way. I got the mass airflow sensor removed. Guessing you have to remove all that. Get that out the way. That air hose. Gotta remove that screw. All right, seems like I got a lot of work. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and start working on this real quick. So the Snorkies are 10 bolts, and the airbox has two 12 bolts, one and then one in the back that you remove, plus this, and then you got this whole space. And as you can see, you got cylinder 3 and cylinder 1 right there. Remember, white plug, black plug. Or, what the? Look at that. Yo, the infamous clip broke. So they got it zip tied. Wow. Even on this side. Damn. Subie gang. Hopefully y'all can see that I am working on cylinder 3. Got the ratchet on there right now. I'm trying to work with the tripod and everything else so you guys can see this. Coil pack is removed. Now to remove the spark plug. So the way I'm doing this, I got one spark plug without a rubber grommet, and then one with a rubber grommet to grab onto the spark plug when I remove it. Once you break it loose, go ahead and loosen it up by hand because your ratchet will get stuck. And boom, just like that, you got this spark plug. Yeah, it looks a lot worse than the other ones, but yep, replacing these with the iridiums. I pretty much got everything back together. The only thing I didn't do now is connect the negative battery terminal and to start the car. See how it goes. Oh boy, here he goes. Alright everyone, it's a new day. I still got a misfire code. I'm hoping it is not a bad one. So far from what I read up, spark plug, coil packs, and then look for air vacuum leaks, but did that already, don't have any. So still working on this misfire. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but got the coil packs in today. So let's go ahead, change those out, see what happens. And if it doesn't take away the misfire code, it's time to do a compression check and a leak down test. But right now, let's get to fixing it. Today's a new day. It's actually been a week since the last time I vlogged. I'm at B-Tech. This is Carl, who's been working on a special thing I'm gonna show later because I know he wants it to be ready once it's ready. But I couldn't figure out that misfire issue. I changed the coil packs. That's the last thing I recorded. But the car's actually been in Bert's shop for a minute. Well, actually, no, about a week.
About a week.
Yeah, about a week.
About a week when I first saw it get dropped off.
Yeah, so we got headers removed and the up pipe right there, about to replace with some stuff I brought over. That's why I'm recording now, because I actually picked up some more stuff. So I got headers and the up pipe. What brand? You guys won't believe it. E-Gay stuff. No, it's probably good. Yeah. Hopefully. I would weld this though. After a while I might weld it. This don't look like it should be like that. But I also picked up a down pipe as well. So technically I'm already going stage 2. And since I've already done that, I see how much it is to go to stage 3, and I might go to stage 3. But I might just pick up the V3 cob access port because I got the V2. Yo, so Bert actually started on the up pipe, switching it out. So with the OEM one, we actually had to lift up the engine. So we removed the bolts to engine mount, lift up the engine a little bit because the OEM one was just too thick. and ugly. Holy shiznits. It's freaking heavy too. That's crazy. But we got it changed out, and if anybody's doing their header up pipe, you might as well just do it this way if you can. Jack up the motor and try to get underneath the car and take it out. But I didn't know much about Subaru, so I brought it to a shop, Bert's shop, B-Tech, and getting it done here, which I'm glad because it's a lot more simple and he already knows what he's doing. Compared to me, it'd probably take me a whole day and then maybe the next day because I'm gonna get irritated because I would have never thought about lifting the engine up like that. So it's a good thing. You could take off your whole turbo, take it up, but I don't know which way is easier. You think taking out the turbo would have been easier?
You know either way.
But I can't wait to hear how this sounds. So now we're just putting the up pipe back on, and then we're gonna install the headers.
Yeah.
But basically all this started because of misfire in all cylinders. Changed the coil pack, changed the spark plug. So this is probably part 2 of the video that you guys see because I couldn't figure out for the life of me why this misfire thing was going on. But I'll get back when everything else is installed. Bert got the headers back on. Hey, look at that. For eBay stuff, not bad. Looks clean. I'm just hoping it don't crack. I've been hearing good and bad things about it, but as you can see, it's a pretty clean install. Only thing I do notice is that it is close to the brace, as you can see on 2 sides. So if you're ever doing it, I would probably notch it with an angle grinder or a cut-off wheel, cut some part, or get a hammer and whack it. Just get it done. So you got space right there and then right here. Because the clearance is not, okay, it's pretty bad, huh? That's pretty bad. That is pretty bad. Especially with the misfire I got, the engine shakes a lot. So it's gonna be interesting if I still got that misfire and all we hear is metal on metal grinding. But eventually it should shave itself off, right? Hopefully. But there's that install. You guys see it, it looks clean. The cleanest part on my car, honestly, the cleanest, just due to the fact it's brand new. Can't wait till it changes colors though. And then I can't wait to get the downpipe, because I did also get a downpipe, but it has to get welded on because it doesn't have the flange. Previous owner cut it off because it was at a Smith's parking lot. And I can't wait to hear how it sounds now that this is all, dang, yeah, pretty much catless. So the car is pretty much catless besides a high flow pipe on the downpipe. Didn't record much. The next video that's gonna be shown is gonna be pretty short. It's an update video. So stay tuned for that next video. This is just pretty much an update video for all you guys. So if you guys made it towards this end, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. But also, in the link down below, there is a site of mine, Xillerated, to go purchase your snapback, beanie, and your decals for your car. So please, if you support the channel just by purchasing one of those, I really greatly appreciate it, because I am not doing it just for me. I am doing it for my family and to support, hopefully one day get big to support all you guys one day, because that would be cool to be able to sponsor one of y'all. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.